Welcome on the channel. Today, like usually, strange and unwanted and unnecessary thing, I will try to build the series regulated push-pull tube amplifier. Some people call it a single-ended push-pull amplifier. It's just different construction. If we have two tubes for one channel, I will build one channel. It's a difference because we can use the cheaper transformer, like a matching transformer from like a public address systems, or even build something with mains transformer. I don't know, mains to 22 volts should be okay, or something like that. No, this is kind of experiment. If anybody are interesting, just leave it in a comment. Info in a comment. I can post a diagram, but this is not proper diagram. This is kind of experiment. I not calculating it, I just guessing. You have to guess if you don't know how to calculate. So, but anyway, let's check it if it works. Ready. So okay, let's start it from 190 volts, which will be higher, but okay, what we have here. It's not perfect. Should be maybe these resistors, cathode resistors should be a bit smaller from what I see. Somehow it's working. So generally it works. So right now we have to build the preamp. Magic way. And something not working. If you forget to connect, still not working. Okay, I have to analyze what I connect wrong. More quickly. With this transformer, unfortunately, we cannot count for more than, I calculate 1.5 watt of power. Nothing. It should be much more. What? 4 watts. Yes, it's 1.4. Yeah, 1.4 watt. Without like a visible on the scope distortion. So it's not perfect. Okay, let's connect some music signal, maybe? No, if by coincidence this video got around, let's say, 33 subscribers, I will try to civilize this amplifier and make it work for, let's say, 3 watts. I think we have some play with this capacitor, one of these capacitors here. We have some play because I think something is wrong with this. Oh, to tell the truth, I choose the cheapest tubes and I just create this diagram nearly from the head. Just copy from similar solutions for similar tubes. I don't, to tell the truth, calculate nearly nothing. To calculate, you have to know what to calculate. I never calculate such a single-ended, not single-ended, is serious regulated push-pull amplifier. Okay, let's try to connect some, let's say, music signal. So means is a kind of noise. Like I said, with 30, let's say, free subscribers, I will civilize this to the, you know, proper diagram, because right now it's just right now the preamp have a too big amplifying, and it's very easy to overdrive the power stage. Just sounds better.